Lung conditions like asthma or bronchitis can be related to unresolved grief, according to Chinese medicine principles of the 5 elements, where the lung is the organ of grief and the metal element is connected to the lung. I've used emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping with a number of my clients to assist them in healing their lung conditions by releasing the grief from their lungs. In this video, we'll be using EFT tapping along with color breathing and therapeutic shaking and self-hypnosis with visualization. First thing we're going to do is identify a significant loss that you had. And in the previous video on postnasal drip and sinusitis, we focused on loss of a loved one or a pet. In this video, we're going to focus on loss of an ability, a loss of a place where you lived, a job, or a relationship that has caused you significant grief and seems to be connected to the time when your symptoms began. And then we're going to assess your degree of difficulty breathing on a subjective units of distress scale of 0 to 10, 10 being can't breathe at all, the worst you've ever had in your life, and 0 being you're breathing freely. Once you've tuned into the state of your breathing at the moment, then we're going to enter into the setup phrase by finding the sore spot on your chest. So the sore spot is going to be on your collarbone, then go below your collarbone onto the ribs, and you'll find the sore spot in between the ribs and pick whichever side hurts the most. And we're going to say, even though I have grief trapped in my lungs, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have grief trapped in my lungs, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have grief trapped in my lungs, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now we're going to do a deep breath of your favorite healing color in, and then breathe out the color of grief, whatever that might be. Having done that, we're going to start the tapping process. Second and third fingers up on the eyebrow point, and we're going to say, grief trapped in my lungs. Side of your eye, grief trapped in my lungs. Under your eye, grief trapped in my lungs. Under your nose, grief trapped in my lungs. Under your chin, grief trapped in my lungs. Collarbone, grief trapped in my lungs. Under your arm, grief trapped in my lungs. Below your breast, grief trapped in my lungs. Top of your head, grief trapped in my lungs. Deep breath in and out. Favorite color in, grief color going out. Now we're going to shift to what I call the awfulized step and go deeper into the experience of grief. So start with grief trapped in my lungs. Side of your eye. I had a significant personal loss around the time my breathing got worse. It could have been a loss of a relationship or a job or a place where I lived or an ability that I had that is now compromised. And this grief has been with me for a while. And when I tune into it, I can tell my breathing gets worse. I've attempted to use drugs to help my breathing with only limited success, and I don't want to be dependent on drugs for the rest of my life. But I know I have this grief trapped in my lungs, and I don't know what to do with it. Deep breath in and out. Switch hands, and we're going to move to the neutralized step. We're going to go back and forth, negative, positive. Just play along and see how it goes. It'll get a little crazy. So, grief trapped in my lungs. Side of your eye. It's gone, I'm healed. Under your eye. Oh, that sounds like bullshit. Under your nose. Well, maybe I am taking the edge off it. Chin, I doubt tapping does anything. Collarbone. If tapping works, this is going to be great. Under your arm, I would need some proof. Below your breast, I'm open to the possibility that I can heal my lungs. Top of your head, I'm curious to see what happens when I let go of the grief. Deep breath in and out. Now shift to self-hypnosis, where we're going to focus on the positive things that you really want. So go to the other side and go, I want emotional freedom now. I'm letting go of my grief. I'm focusing on gratitude for my previous ability, a place where I live, job, or relationship. I'm grateful to have experienced that. And I'm letting go of all the negative thoughts I have associated with it, focusing on the positive things. And I can feel my lungs are loosening up and starting to heal. I'm breathing easier. And I'm going to have fun focusing on the gratitude and letting go of the grief. Deep breath in and out, in and out. Favorite color going in, feel your favorite color moving through your whole body. Breathe a little faster and a little deeper than you ordinarily would, moving that energy through your body. And in particular, take the dark color of grief out through your feet. When you feel the healing color coming down your arms into your hands, shake your fingers as if the color is dripping out your fingers. Let it go down your legs, into your toes, wiggle your toes, stomp your feet, and let the energy move down into the ground, taking the grief with it. Tune into your body. Check to see, is there any place where the grief is still stuck? If so, breathe some of your favorite color down into that area. Now you want to go to your favorite healing place out in nature somewhere. We can do a little more healing work. So go to that place now. Use all 5 of your senses to experience being there. And while you're there, imagine looking down at your feet, looking for an object on the ground, which will be your healing object. You can pick up the first random object you see, hold it in your hand. It'll be the perfect receptacle for your grief, and also the magical recycling and healing tool. So let the grief drain out of your body into that object. And then when you're ready, just release that back to the earth any way you want. It'll be turned into compost. Having done that, now you can invite your spirit guide from someone from the other side. It could be an ancestor, a spirit animal, or an angel, is going to give you some advice on moving on from the grief that you've been experiencing and clearing your lungs. So once that being shows up, ask them for some words of wisdom as to what to do to speed your healing process. Now you're going to get in a time machine, go back into the past and re-experience some of your favorite memories of that ability you had, or that location where you lived, or that relationship or that job. Just go back and tune into that, soak up that energy, that feeling, and imagine someone took a picture of you in that experience, and think of what color you would associate with that feeling, and put that color in a picture frame around that picture, that scene. Breathe that color into your body. Put that picture frame up on the wall, and memory wall. Anytime you want to work on your grieving process or healing, go back and tune into that experience. Now get back in your time machine and go to the moment when you had your significant loss, and think of other scenarios as to how else you might have managed that situation. Something you would have said, something you would have done, a ritual you would have done, anything that would have given you some appropriate closure on that scene. And think of a couple different scenarios of how it might have worked. So consider many possibilities. And having done that and allowing yourself to move on, project yourself into the future where your lungs are clear, your grief is resolved, and you are just holding on to the grateful memories about having had that experience in the past. Put yourself in that future picture frame and think of a color what it would feel like to breathe easily and have resolved your grief, and focusing on gratitude. Once you've done that, put that picture frame up on your wall next to the one from the past. Breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. And then stretch and come on back. And we're going to do one more self-hypnotic technique. 3 simple steps. Just squeeze your thumb and finger together. Open your eyes wide. Take a deep breath in and hold it. When you're ready, release your hand. Relax. Close your eyes. Blow the breath out and project yourself into that future frame of healing with clear lungs and easy breathing and gratitude. And when you're ready, bring that feeling back with you and check in. We're just going to say the phrase of grief trapped in my lungs again. Notice how that feels, and also notice if your breathing feels any differently. I'll take some deep breaths in and out and assess your breathing on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being easy breathing, 10 being great difficulty breathing. So just assess that, see if the numbers change from before to after. And also, think of ways that in the future you would adapt to situations like you've experienced in the past. All right, well, thanks for tapping with me. And if you want more information about my coaching program or my workshops, go to larryburk.com. You'll also find my other YouTube videos there and a lot of my blogs. So thanks for tuning in with me today.